and the Perfect Pizza Party by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete the cat loves pizza. Pete the cat loves parties too. Pete had an idea of what he could do. He would have the perfect pizza party. You were invited to Pete's Pizza Party. Fun, music, games, bring your swimsuits. Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to build the perfect pizza together. That would make the pizza even better. Pete's Pizza Party. Pete thought of the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese. Cheese, pepperoni. It's a party. It's a party. A pepperoni pizza party. Pin the tail on the unicorn. But everyone did not agree. Charlie said pepperoni will be just fine, but I really love pretzels on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? Well, that's something new. But maybe pretzels could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. Squirrel said pepperoni and pretzels would be just fine, but I really love pistachios on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pistachios? Well, that's something new, but maybe pistachios could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pizza party. Grumpy Toad said pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios would be just fine, but I really love pickles on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new, but maybe pickles could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle pizza party. Gus said pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, and pickles would be just fine. But I really love popcorn on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Popcorn? Well, that's something new, but maybe popcorn could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn pizza party. Pete's Pizza Party Bus. Alligator said pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, and popcorn would be just fine, but I really love papaya on mine. Now Pete and the gang were really puzzled. Papaya? Well, that's something new, but maybe papaya could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza party. Bounce House. Pete and the gang piled the pepperoni, pretzels, pistachio, pickles, popcorn, and papaya on the top. The pizza was so high they had to stop. Ding! The pizza was done. Trying something new might be fun. They all built up the courage to take the first bite. The pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza was out of sight. Dynamite, just right. In the end, the perfect pizza is a pizza shared with friends. The end. What was your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where they were swimming in the pool.